Hi, this is Migo, your portable internet-enabled 3D printer. Migo was born to change your view of 3D printing. Simple and portable. Just plug it in and play. We always keep the highest industrial standards in mind. Life will be simple and exquisite with Migo. That's not all. Migo goes beyond your imagination. As inventors, we worked hard to make Migo smaller than small, achieving the maximum volume to size ratio. In fact, Migo is so compact, there are no unnecessary parts. Yet it's more powerful than other 3D printers. Furthermore, the replaceable printer head can fuel all your creative needs. That's how Migo makes your life more colorful. Migo was born for your creativity. Designed with built-in apps, Migo is perfect for anyone. Migo changes the way you print, letting you print creatively, anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Batch printing makes Migo more efficient than the competition. Multiple prints are just one click away, allowing you to instantly build your own printing factory. Amazing features make it the new standard in 3D printing. The printing process has never been so enjoyable. This is Migo, the fantastic future of quality, affordable 3D printing. Migo, best friend for life.
The SomniCloud is the first sleep device that offers truly effortless tracking in combination with proven sleep optimization technologies to create the ideal sleep environment. The SomniCloud features 2 connected pods that contain high-fidelity speakers and an efficient LED light source. These pods are able to provide specific light and audio cues to create the perfect sleep environment and signal to our brain that it's time for bed. When you're ready to go to sleep, just hop into bed. No buttons to push, no straps to adjust, no bracelets or pillow attachments. Just get into bed and the SomniCloud system will take care of the rest. The pods will automatically illuminate with long wavelength light to cue your brain that it's time for bed. At the same time, the pods will also begin administering calming audio consistent with your chosen sleepscape. The SomniCloud syncs with Nest and Ecobee thermostats to automatically set your thermostat to the perfect ambient temperature. After a preset time, the lights will automatically fade out, providing a dark sleep environment. As the SomniCloud recognizes that you're drifting off to sleep, it will slowly fade out all audio. The SomniCloud monitors your sleep throughout the night and can even track 2 separate users at the same time. In the morning, the SomniCloud Smart Alarm will be sure to wake you up prior to your preset wake time. Unlike traditional alarms, the SomniCloud gradually wakes you up by combining scientifically proven binaural beat technology with our simulated sunrise lighting cues. The binaural beats help slowly raise your brainwave frequency to bring you to a lighter sleep state. The simulated sunrise features emit short wavelength light consistent with an early morning sunrise. This light serves as a natural cue to your brain that it's time to wake up. As your preset wake time approaches, the SomniCloud will begin to emit a pleasant tone overlay, ensuring you wake up at the right time every time. Your app will automatically sync with your SomniCloud and present details of last night's sleep, including your overall sleep score, as well as time spent in awake, restless, light, and deep sleep states. No time to review? Simply ask Alexa for last night's sleep score.
Your sleep score was 71.
We're excited about SomnaCloud, and we're launching here because we love the Kickstarter community and its willingness to invest in innovations that truly make people's lives better. And this is not our first campaign. We've done 3 previous crowdfunding efforts, and we've delivered on time every time. So thank you for your support.
How cool would it be if you could wave a wand and create anything out of thin air? Imagine creating any object and watching it come to life right in front of your eyes, and then printing it with one simple press of a button. Meet the Yeehaw Wand, the world's first brush that lets you create, view, and bring your designs into reality. Use the wand and your phone or tablet to watch your design appear right in front of your eyes. See how it looks in the real world before printing it, and leave nothing to chance. Just open the Yeehaw app, hold your wand in front of your phone, and start creating. It's incredibly easy. View and play with your designs in the real world. Take photos or create videos. Just have fun. Since you can view your design in real time, you can use the wand to recreate anything in front of you. Cool, right? Yeehaw Wand is simple and easy to use. You can draw lines, wide strokes, and even cylinders. Easily change the size and color of your design. Zoom in and out or spin your object 360 degrees in any direction to fine-tune every detail. You can also choose from dozens of models to use as a starting point or to add to your design. Once you're ready to print, you have several options. If you want, we'll gladly print what you've made and ship it to you. Or you can send it directly from your phone to the Yeehaw 3D printer. Last option, you can export the file to any 3D printer or local 3D printing center. You can show off your designs to family and friends or even sell them online. Last thing, we want you to challenge us with your most creative ideas. So just leave us a comment on our campaign page. We'll choose the most challenging ideas and bring them to life. We'll upload a video of us making your design with the Yeehaw Wand and then send you the design. Unleash your creativity with Yeehaw Wand.